The fate of George Zimmerman. The community watchman is on trial for the shooting death of 17-year-old Trayvon Martin. CBS 2's Susan McGinnis is live outside the courthouse in Sanford, Florida, where everyone is awaiting a verdict. Susan?
Well, Cindy, we're close to the end of day 2 of deliberations, and just a few minutes ago, the jury sent up a question to the court. They are looking for clarification of the instructions on manslaughter. So that's leading to some speculation. They are discussing a manslaughter charge. Meanwhile, folks in front of the courthouse who are in favor of an acquittal and more in favor of a conviction continue to wait. Demonstrators awaiting a verdict rallied outside the Seminole County Courthouse while jurors inside considered the fate of George Zimmerman. Some are here to support Trayvon Martin's family.
We want justice. We want to make sure that Zimmerman is convicted of second-degree murder and nothing less.
For others, justice is an acquittal for Zimmerman.
I'm hoping for a not guilty, which the way it should be.
Good morning, ladies.
Just after 9 a.m., the jury of 6 women began a second day of deliberations. On Friday, they asked the court for a detailed list of all the evidence. The jurors must determine if Zimmerman is guilty of second-degree murder, guilty of manslaughter, or not guilty. The 29-year-old claims he shot Martin in self-defense during a confrontation in February of last year. Prosecutors claim Zimmerman targeted the 17-year-old. More than a year ago, shortly after the shooting, tens of thousands of people protested in Sanford. The crowds are much smaller today, but police say they're ready for any reaction. The police chief has increased patrols by as much as 40% ahead of the verdict.
One of the things we wanted to do is make sure that if something does occur, that we have the ability to respond to those issues. But as it stands right now, the city has been very peaceful.
People in downtown Sanford don't anticipate violence.
People are going to be a lot more level-headed than that. You know, they're just not going to get caught up in the drama.
Both the Martin and Zimmerman families have called for calm after the verdict is read. And members of the jury will decide for themselves if they want to deliberate on Sunday. In Sanford, Florida, Susan McGinnis, CBS 2 News.